Great leaders communicate a vision that captures the imagination and fires the hearts and minds of those around them. And if that leader happens to be a teacher, an educationist, the vision he communicates to the hearts and minds of students will be transformed into none the less than a progressive nation. We are talking about that visionary and educationist who has been in the field of teaching for nearly 37 years, who believes in action that leads to progress, who championed the cause of education and social service, who has won innumerable awards, rewards, commendations, and felicitations to his credit. Yes, he is none other than our most revered and beloved Principal Sir, Shri N.D. Joshi. When he was born at a small village Champawat in Uttarakhand, little did his blessed parents, Shri Purnanand Joshi and Srimati Chandana Joshi, know that their son, the eldest of the 5 siblings, was going to be a teacher of outstanding merit and an educational administrator of a national repute. Having finished his primary education in his own village, Shri N.D. Joshi joined a Gurukul in Meerut where he studied up to his intermediate level. This Gurukul was a comprehensive learning center that gave him a practical and in-depth knowledge and a broader outlook towards life. This is where he ascertained the values that life is based on and had an insight into the deeper aspects of Guru-Sishya bonding, which in turn laid a strong foundation for his successful career as a teacher and an administrator in KV for about 37 long years. Later, he got through his post-graduation with a gold medal and also obtained his B.Ed from Sanskrit University, Varanasi. He joined KVS in 1978, and that was the beginning of the history he was about to create. During his tenure as a teacher for about 20 years in KVS, he discharged various responsibilities besides proving himself as an excellent teacher whom students would look up to in awe and reverence. His contributions as a principal for 17 years are just immeasurable. As a teacher, he won KVS National Incentive Award, and during his tenure as a principal, he received National Award from the Honorable President of India. A vision translates into success when the leader builds discipline, skills, and trust in his team. It is this trust and team spirit he built in his team that led to the successful hosting of the visits of Sri Rajashri Bhattacharya, Secretary, Government of India, Ministry of HRD, Department of Education, accompanied by Commissioner KVS, and the visit by His Excellency Michael Steiner, German Ambassador. It is his leadership that has helped 24 of the teachers who worked under his guidance to receive national and regional incentive awards. But this greatness is always willing to be humble and grateful. Here is whom he reveres most and is ever thankful to.
If I were asked to name the best 5 among the faculty members I had in all the Vidyalayas I worked in, I would unhesitatingly and instantly put Shri N.D. Joshi, present Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya Kanishkin, very high in that list. I have had a nearly 30-year-long brotherly association with this outstanding teacher and principal from 1986 onwards, after my joining KVBJ as the principal. Mr. N.D. Joshi is a veritable institution by himself, greatly revered by the students, his colleagues, parents, VMC, and the departmental hierarchy of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for his sterling qualities of head and heart and immense contributions in the sacred field of education, he remains modest and unassuming. An idealist and a perfectionist with a practical approach, Principal Joshi has always struggled to improve the lot of students and teachers wherever he has served. Mr. N.D. Joshi is gifted with boundless enthusiasm, profound knowledge, genial disposition, and deep-rooted concern for children's development and the institution. It is no wonder then that honors, awards and felicitations have come his way with periodic frequency. Though he is retiring shortly, knowing him fully well, I trust that this iconic teacher and principal will keep on inspiring future generations. He will always be remembered for his legendary administrative ability, pleasant human relations, love for all, oratorial and writing skills, and overall towering personality. And I and my wife wish him and his distinguished family perfect happiness in the days to come. May God be always with him. Thank you. It needs a special mention that Mr. Joshi has always rendered wholehearted cooperation and unstinted support to the splendid Alumni Association of KVBUJ, which has grown from strength to strength under the inspiring and dynamic presidency of Sri Raj Alvin Devdas. I hope Sri Joshi would participate enthusiastically in the activities of this progress-oriented association in future also.
I know Mr. Joshi has done a lot for the school, and he has achieved merit and so many things, particularly President's Award, Incentive Award, and so many other things. And I am happy that he is remembering the old people like me who had established the school about 30 years back. I know Mr. Joshi when he was PGT here in Kendriya Vidyalaya B.J. Khaki, and I was principal here in Kendriya Vidyalaya Ganesh Kheli. And I knew that he is a dedicated teacher, a very good teacher, and very good at all kinds of activities related to school. When I was education officer in 90s, I recommended his name for the Incentive Award of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan.
The expression of our gratitude and highest appreciation is not to utter words but to live by what we are grateful for. True, but sometimes words are needed to express our feelings. Well, this is how inspiration breeds inspiration.
मैं श्री एन.डी. जोशी सर के साथ में 5 साल पनवेल में काम किया। लगभग 2008 से 2012 तक हमने सर के साथ में काम किया। सर तो एक अच्छा प्रशासक तो है, अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के साथ साथ बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, जो हमारे हर विपत्ति में हमारा बड़े भैया के रूप में सहायता किया। जब हमारा पिताजी 2010 में बाईपास सर्जरी हुआ था, तो हमें डॉक्टर लोग बताया कि कल सर्जरी है और हमें 8 बाटल का खून चाहिए था। तो हमें समझ में नहीं आया क्या करें, तो हमने सर को एक फ़ोन करके बताया कि सर ऐसा परिस्थिति है। तो सर ने उस समय केवी पनवेल में समर वेकेशन में इन सर्विस कोर्स चल रहा था टीजीटी संस्कृत का। तो सर ने एक अनाउंसमेंट किया वहाँ पे इस प्रकार का, तो उतने में सभी लोग आगे आके नेक्स्ट डे 2 गाड़ी में भर के हमारा जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स है सर्विस कोर्स का, वो आके हमें लगभग 12 से 15 बाटल तक खून दिया। तो वहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल में सब लोग परेशान हो गए कि ये कहाँ से आया है सब लोग। तो वो चीज़ जो है ना, हम हमारा लाइफ में कभी भूल नहीं सकते हैं। खून लेने के बाद हमारा बाईपास सर्जरी सक्सेस हो गया पिताजी का, और नेक्स्ट सेशन में जब विंटर में दोबारा सेशन हुआ था, हमारा पिताजी पूरा हर तरीके से फिट हो गया। फिर वो इन सर्विस पोस्ट में जाके जो खून डोनेट किया है उनको मिला है और वो लोग भी बहुत खुश हो गए थे। हमारा पिताजी भी हमारा परिवार का पूरा लोग जो है इस जो हेल्प है वो हमें बहुत बड़ा हेल्प हुआ। हमारे पिताजी का जान जो है वो बच गया। हमें 2 बार जो है ना ये हमारा जो इंसेंटिव अवार्ड के लिए सर ने भेजा है, तो हमारा बैड लगे को नहीं मिल पाया, लेकिन सर ने पूरा प्रयास किया कि हमसे, लेकिन वो अवार्ड मिले ना मिले, लेकिन हमें खुशी है कि सर का रिकॉग्निशन हमें मिला है।
Namaskar. When the heart is full, words are few. It has been rightly said, and my condition is like that only. Being a language teacher also, I fall short of words to express myself on this important occasion. Sir has been such a wonderful person that summing his personality up in a few words in this short span of time is very very difficult. मुझे याद आ रहा है, सात समद की मसी करो लेखन सब बन राय, धरती सब कागज करो हरि गुण निकाल जाए। सर की पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी ही है कि हम लोग प्रभावित तो होते हैं। सर का आशीर्वाद कई रूपों में हमें मिलता रहा है, लेकिन कैसे हम डिस्क्राइब कर पाएंगे बहुत कठिन काम होगा, खास करके मेरे लिए। एक पिता तुल्य व्यक्तित्व रहा है सर का। Whatever I am today is because of sir. और 1000 salutes to you कि आपने इतने साल एज प्रिंसिपल फ्रूटफुल ईयर्स बिताए हैं KVS में, और उन्हीं ईयर्स से आपसे हम प्रेरणा लेते रहे हैं और आगे भी जो भी हम काम करते रहेंगे। I wish you and your family a grand future. आप स्वस्थ रहें, निरोग रहें। आपको, मैडम को प्रणाम, राजीव को, गीतांजलि को शुभकामनाएं। आप सभी स्वस्थ रहें, निरोग रहें और हम सभी के लिए आशीर्वाद प्रदान करते रहें, प्रेरणा देते रहें। यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
For his staff members, he is an iconic figure to look up to for every step they take ahead.
सर से मेरी पहचान बहुत पुरानी है। सर को मैं 1984 से जानती हूँ, जब वे KVBEG में कार्यरत थे। सर एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व हैं जिनकी तारीफ करना सूरज को रोशनी दिखाने के बराबर है। उनका व्यक्तित्व इतना प्रकाशमान है कि जहाँ वो जाते हैं सारा वातावरण ज्योतिर्मय हो जाता है और खिल उठता है। आज जब सर सेवानिवृत्त हो रहे हैं, मैं भगवान से यही कामना करती हूँ कि उनका सेवानिवृत्त जीवन सुखमय हो, चिंता रहित हो और स्वास्थ्यवर्धक हो। धन्यवाद।
Hello sir, I am your young man. Sir, from the first day when I met you, I feel much energetic, and I don't know, I thought I met you somewhere before. As you said, when I was at my 10th standard, you were principal of Navodaya. Personally, I feel I miss you, not only from the school, even from my life, because I don't know when I could meet you again. Sir, I wish a bright and a prosperous retired life for you. Thanks.
दिशा दीप्त हो उठी, प्राप्त कर पुण्य प्रकाश तुम्हारा, लिखा जा चुका अनर अक्षरों में इतिहास तुम्हारा। जिस मिट्टी में लहू पिया वो फूल खिलाएगी ही, अंबर पर घन बन छाएगा ही उच्चवास तुम्हारा। शायद रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की पंक्तियाँ भी काफ़ी नहीं हैं सर की बहुमुखी प्रतिभा का सार बताने के लिए। बहुत कम समय में सर ने न केवल विद्यालय की काया बदल दी, बल्कि बच्चों के मन मस्तिष्क पर एक ऐसा प्रभाव छोड़ दिया है जो हमेशा हमेशा उन्हें प्रेरित करता रहेगा बेहतर से बेहतरीन प्राप्त करने के लिए।
For his students, he is not only a role model, but an epitome of knowledge, wisdom and love.
Though we have been together principal sir for a very short time, it has been a great experience with him all the while. He has inspired us every time and motivated us to do better and better. He made us feel so comfortable that no way we would hesitate to go to him for guidance or to seek help. He has been one of the greatest teachers I've met so far. And hence, on behalf of all the students of KV Ganeshkhan, I would like to thank him for the moral support he gave to all of us, and would like to say that we are going to miss you, sir.
हमारे प्राचार्य श्री श्री एन.डी. जोशी बहुत अच्छे हैं। वह तो ज्ञान का सागर है। उन्होंने बहुत सारी नई नई एक्टिविटीज़ चालू की, जैसे कि मास्टर क्लीन, मिस क्लीन और मेरिट सर्टिफिकेट। इससे बहुत सारे बच्चे प्रोत्साहित हुए। मैं बड़े होकर उनके जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ। मुझे आपकी बहुत याद आएगी। धन्यवाद।
You will never feel truly satisfied in your professional life until and unless you are satisfied with your personal life. Wealthy and privileged is the man who has a rewarding personal life, the love of family and admiration of friends. Professional life or personal life, it is teamwork that makes the dream work. The greatest marriages are built on teamwork, mutual trust and respect, a healthy dose of admiration and a never-ending exchange of love and concern. Yes, this is what led to 38 years of his companionship with Mrs. Bharti Joshi. She echoes the same sentiments when she speaks.
हमारी शादी को 37 ईयर हो गए हैं। तब से हम लोग साथ में हैं। मैंने देखा है उनका पूरा टाइम अपने जॉब के लिए है, पूरी एनर्जी अपने जॉब के लिए है और अपने जॉब के लिए उन्होंने सब कुछ अपना दिया है और घर और बच्चे उनके लिए बाद में हैं, जॉब पहले है और उसका उनको फल भी मिला है और उससे हमको भी मान सम्मान इज्जत सब कुछ मिला है। अब मैं आशा करती हूँ कि रिटायरमेंट के बाद हमको जो पहले नहीं मिला है वो मिलना चाहिए। अपना वक्त अपना टाइम हमको और हमारे साथ बिताएंगे, हमको टाइम देंगे, हमारे साथ अपना टाइम एंजॉय करेंगे।
The parents' pride, son Rajiv and daughter Geetanjali. For the daughter, she may have found her prince, but her dad will always be her king, her superman.
Hello Papa, hello Mama, love you too, love you all. Okay, today we all are gathered here to just celebrate in honor of my father, a great big day. You all are either his colleagues and co-workers, or some I can see my father worked under them. Everybody has something or else to say or share. But me, I will talk few sentences as his daughter. Something very close to my heart. But one thing I would like to tell you, Papa, just from my heart, wherever I went, whenever I went, people always knew me as Principal Joshi's daughter. Even if they never knew me with my first name, they never knew she's Geetanjali. They always knew that she is Principal Joshi's daughter. The respect, the love itself, because of your name, it filters down on us. You know, me, my kids, my brother, everyone in the family. That's the magic of you, that's the magic of your name. And that's actually so very much wonderful to see people, how much they love you, how much they revere you, how much they respect you, how much they want you around them. That's something really absolutely great. To put it in words, it's just magical. So being your daughter, very proud thing. Feel very good, very happy, very satisfied. And one more thing I would like to say, second thing, everybody in the world has problems. You know, everyone has some other problem. But my father, he's this unique person who has solutions to each and every problem. Anybody coming up to him with any problem, he has solution right bang in front of him. He knows how to take out way. So with us also, we had problems. He never panicked. We always wanted our way. We always revolted. What my sons do now today, and I just blast at them. And then after 5 minutes, I come back and think, why did I do that? Why did I react that way? My father never did that. My mother never did that. And we took very important decisions of our life just at the whim of the moment. But Papa was always calm, cool, quiet, and he let us go our own way. Learn, do, learn. Do, learn. He never reacted, he always supported. So that's actually really great, which I really want to learn from you. Now being a mother, I know how difficult it is to be a parent, and sorry for all the trouble that I gave you being a naughty little girl. And Papa, I would like to say again one more thing. Every day in the evening, most of the evenings when I come back home to you and Mama, I still feel like I'm a daddy's little girl. The same love, every day you come on the door, you receive me, you receive kids every single day. Even if you are just back from school, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, you are just down with work, no time, still every day you will step out of the door, you will receive me, and when I'm going back after dinner at 10, 10:30, 11, you are very tired, sometimes even in the middle of your dinner. Okay, Papa, to say it now that I'm 33 and I'm a mother, people expect you to be mature, behave maturely, talk maturely. So now I would like to say and confess something in front of you, that you are a super, super, super dad, and I don't know even how to come close to you, even half of what you and Mama were. I don't know how to do that. Is there any formula or something? Please let me know it. And I would like to tell you one more thing that is very precious to me. In my mind, in my heart, every single day, I know, okay, everything fine. I'm married for last 13 years, away from you, not the same house, but still one thing lingers in my mind and in my heart, that whatever may happen, my father can handle it. Even if I'm big, I have that confidence that even if I may fail, my father will handle it. He will just turn around the situation and everything will just be fine. Like maybe I think when we were small, we used to read Cinderella and all, and there was that hero who can just turn around the situations. I think you are that hero who can just turn around any situation, and again the things will be fine. So thank you, Papa, for being so strong, being so very headstrong that your kids feel, the people around you feel so very good in your company, so very positive in your company, that we all settle with a very positive thought that everything will be fine, everything will just settle down. Thank you for giving all of us that confidence. He is very, very unique. He cannot be matched. He is unparalleled. And maybe for me, yes, he is a superhuman and he's a super dad. Love you, Papa. Love you very, very much from the bottom of our heart. Be with us always. You give us confidence. Be with us always. Bless us always. And just be around us. Don't do anything, just be around us. You make us all so, so very happy. Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much.
For Rajiv, his father gave him the greatest gift anyone could give. He believed in him. He trusted him. This trust gave the son an immense self-confidence. It was his father who taught him.
Hi everybody, I'm in Assam now and I'm sending this message, this heartfelt message for my father from here. And talking about my father, I would say that he has done a lot for Kendriya Vidyalaya, Sangathan, for the society, for friends and family, and obviously for his kids. Me and my sister, we both feel strongly that the greatest gift he has given us is of human values and character, and that is what actually makes us stand out in crowd, and we are loved wherever we go. So I think as a parent, it's very the greatest gift any parent can give. And like if I share my experience or story, then once I asked my father that how to be a good leader. So first and foremost thing he said, it is important, to understand, to always know that we all are human beings, and from there you act. So the first tip he gave me on leadership, on management, is that we should all, first of all, we should always consider everybody as human being, and accordingly we must behave and act. So I feel this is the greatest contribution he has given us, and I really thank him, and I wish him all the best. And because I know he will be doing great work, and even after getting retired from केंद्रीय विद्यालय.
मेरे को यहाँ पर आके ऐसा लगा, फील नहीं हुआ कि मेरे डैडी नहीं है. काफ़ी मेरे डैडी, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे डैडी मुझे 17 इयर्स के बाद फिर से मुझे मेरे पापा मिले, और मैं अपने पापा से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि वो मेरे फादर इन लॉ हैं, बिल्कुल पापा की तरह ही केयर करते हैं. और मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई कि मुझे 17 इयर्स के बाद फिर से एक पापा मिले जो बहुत केयरिंग है, बहुत लविंग है, और वो मुझे हमेशा इंकरेज करते रहते हैं. कभी भी मुझे कोई भी चीज़ के लिए मना नहीं करते, जो मुझे चाहिए वो मुझे मिल जाता है. तो मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता है कि मेरे डैडी नहीं है.
Thus don't let each other wander in the dark alone. They have been and will be with us through our childhood dreams and grown-up realizations. Here is a brother talking about his brother.
मुझे बड़े भाई का प्रेम मिला, और माता पिता का प्यार भी मिला, और जो माता पिता के जो कर्तव्य हैं वो ही उन्होंने मेरे प्रति निभाए हैं. मुझे पढ़ा लिखा कर बड़ा किया, और मुझे पैरों में खड़े होने की ताकत दी. आज मैं अपने पैरों में भले ही खड़ा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पैरों की ताकत उनकी दी हुई ताकत है. सन 1993 में मैंने अपने अग्रज की स्वास्थ्य संस्थाओं के फलस्वरूप, उनके आशीर्वाद के फलस्वरूप, माँ सरस्वती की कृपा से कलम उठाई थी और कुछ लिखना प्रारंभ किया. और लिखते लिखते मैं अपने प्रतिदिन के लेखन को उनको दिखाता था. उनसे उत्साह पाकर, उत्साह द्विगुणित होकर के मैं और लिखता था. और इस तरह से लिखते लिखते मेरी लेखन यात्रा आगे बढ़ती गई. आज ऐसा समय आ गया जहाँ माँ सरस्वती ने मेरे हाथों से 12 पुस्तकें प्रकाशित करवा दी हैं. ये सब श्रेय मैं अपने बड़े भाई श्रीमान एन डी जोशी को देता हूँ, जिनके स्वास्थ्यवाद से, जिनके उत्साह से, जिनके मनोयोग से, जिनकी प्रेरणा से मैं ये कार्य कर सका. और ये एकाएक 1993 में मेरी कलम से निकला था कि मैं ऐसे महायोगी के जीवन पर कभी काव्य लिखूंगा. काव्य तो नहीं लिख पाया, लेकिन कुछ न कुछ मैं लिखने का प्रयास किया. यह भी उनके आशीर्वाद से 2014 में पूरा हो सका. और उनके कार्यकाल के और उनके कार्यशैली पर, उनके व्यक्तित्व पर अनेक विश्वविद्यालयों के कुलपतियों ने, उप कुलपतियों ने अपने लेख लिखे हैं, और उनके जीवन पर, उन कार्यशैली पर प्रकाश डाला है. ऐसे महान महायोगी को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, नमन करता हूँ. और मैं अपनी खुशी जाहिर करता हूँ. मैं ऐसे महान व्यक्ति का, ऐसे व्यक्तित्व का, मुझे छोटा भाई होने का गौरव प्राप्त हुआ है. मुझे ये कहते हुए फक्र होता है कि मेरे बड़े भाई श्रीमान एन डी जोशी, जिनकी वाणी में ऐसा जादू है, वो जिससे भी जब बात करते हैं, अपनी बात कहते हैं, चाहे वो कक्षा हो या कक्षा के बाहर हो, प्रशासन का मामला हो या व्यक्तिगत मामला हो, उनकी हर एक बात प्रेरणामयी होती है, प्रेरणास्पद होती है. वह अपनी वाणी से नकारात्मक वातावरण को सकारात्मक बनाने में एक जादू भरी वाणी का प्रभाव दिखाते हैं. उनकी वाणी में जादू छलकता है. उनकी वाणी से छात्रों की मनस्थिति बदलती है, शिक्षकों की कार्यशैली बदलती है और इसलिए वह व्यक्ति को अंदर से बदलना चाहते हैं। यही उन्होंने अपने हर कार्यकाल में हर एक स्थान पर किया है, जो एक अभूतपूर्व और अमूल्य योगदान है। नेता वही होता है जो नेता अपने आदर्शों को थोपता है, वो नहीं, बल्कि नेता वो होता है जो नए नेता पैदा करता है। इसलिए इनका चरित्र अपने आप में अद्भुत है, अनूठा है। मैं इनके स्वास्थ्य की, दीर्घायु की, लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ और ऐसी गाइडेंस, ऐसे बड़े भाई सबको मिले, यही शुभकामना करता हूँ।
A doting grandpa he is.
ताऊ जी, आप अभी रिटायर हो चुके हैं और मुझे अभी भी वो जॉगिंग सेशंस याद थे। आप मुझे जो भी कहते थे उस जॉगिंग सेशंस में, आई रिमेंबर दैट इन एवरी सेकेंड ऑफ माई लाइफ। अब मैं आपने जो भी कहा मुझसे, मैं उसे अपने जीवन में लाने का प्रयत्न कर रहा हूँ और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप वैसे ही प्रेरित बातें मुझे कहते रहें। Therefore, ताऊ जी, you are a great man and I hope that you will spend more time with me so that I can also, act like you, think like you. So, thank you. Whenever you say that Nama is my friend, I feel great. I mean, you always consider me as your friend, and I hope that I move into that relationship with you and strengthen that relationship even after you get retired. जैसा कि पापा ने कहा कि आप वैसे तो खाली बैठने नहीं वाले, लेकिन मेरे लिए कभी कभी आ जाया कीजिए।
Hello Nanu, how are you? I am on the TV to show my love to you. You are my principal. I am very happy. Because you are my principal, all the teachers love me. But please don't leave this school. If you leave this school, how can I come every night to meet you? Every night whenever I come, you play with me. In the morning, in Sunday morning, you every time play with me. So thank you for loving me, Nanu. And give me a big hug after the party. Nanu, I have a complaint to make to you. You are every time busy in the school, and because of being busy, you cannot play with me. So once you get retired, then you promise me that you will give me very much time to play. Thank you, Nanu. Bye. Nanu, you are the best. I love you.
Very few of us know the fact that he is the person behind the formation and functioning of KV Students Alumni Association.
श्री एनडी जोशी से हमारा संबंध 1986 से है, जबकि मैं 1976 से केंद्रीय विद्यालय बीईजी से पास आउट हुआ हूँ। एलुमनी एसोसिएशन ऑफ केंद्रीय विद्यालय बीईजी, जिसकी शुरुआत 24 सितंबर 1986 को हुई, उसका सबसे और बहुत बड़ा श्रेय श्री एपी जोशी, एनडी जोशी और डॉक्टर शर्मा जी को जाता है। We thank him for his support.
ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सर रिटायर हो रहे हैं। उनके शब्दों में यदि कहा जाए तो 2 साल पहले रिटायर हो गए थे, लेकिन उनका जो जज्बा है, उनका जो एक जोश है, एक काम करने के प्रति उनका जो एक अनुशासन है, डिसिप्लिन है, उसको देखते हुए ही शासन ने उनको जो 2 साल का एक्सटेंशन दिया, तो वो उन्होंने एक तरीके से एक बार फिर से सही ठहराया, फिर से इंस्पायर किया, मोटिवेट किया कि भाई यू हैव टू गो ऑन एंड गिव टू द सोसाइटी, बैक टू द सोसाइटी व्हाट यू हैव टेकन फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी। और उनका ये मैसेज मैं हमेशा कैरी करूँगा और हमेशा उन्हें उनके जज्बे के लिए, अनुशासन के लिए मैं याद रखूँगा। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Besides his professional and his family circle, there are some who never quit him through thick and thin, through ups and downs, always sticking to him. Or is it rather he sticks to them? Well, wondering who they are? They are none other than the typical characteristic qualities of Shri N.D. Joshi. He is a man of high self-esteem, a perfectionist, a committed administrator, a scholar, a visionary, a champion of excellence, a charismatic leader, and above all, a philanthropist. And the cherry on the cake is his sense of wit and humor. He is a perfectionist, and how? Nothing escapes his vision. Nothing is left unchecked and uncorrected. From academics to aesthetics, from maintenance to management. A word from him can motivate a dull and reluctant student to achieve miracles. His guidance and supervision can turn even a smallest task, a drudgery, into a masterpiece of art.
Students are the asset of any nation. To me, education has been a mission. I have been working as a teacher by choice, not as compulsion. My journey of 37 years as a teacher has been a wonderful one. In the company of younger kids, I learned from them. I improved my behavior by conduct, my teaching methodology by dealing with them, and again transform myself with a mission to transform the students. I would say to the students, knowledge comes through the commitment and the dedication. I would say to the children, you have to respect your parents unquestionably. You have to believe your teachers faithfully, sincerely and generously. Then only you can acquire the true knowledge, the truth hidden in the books, what we call an education. Similarly, for my friends, teachers, I would say we have to be always child-centric, where everything is depending on child's growth. So we have to see that we become role model for them and also path maker by which they flourish in the life, do well in the life. May God bless everyone. Friends, thank you very much. I wish to complete 50 years of my active career as a teacher in the field of education. Now I complete 37 years of service. You know, again I have to run 30 more years to feel tired. So I would like to work up till my age of 75. So I have to go more 13 years ahead. So no question of retirement. I feel I am born out of two mothers. One is my biological mother, another my mother is a KDS who has taken care of me for last 37 years. So I owe to the department, to the KDS, to the Government of India for making me and converting me, transforming me from nobody to somebody. Today I am somebody standing for you.
Sir, you have often spoken to us how, as a youngster, you wished to be a civil servant or an army officer. But it's their loss and our gain that you have been into teaching and educational administration. Because it is only here that you could and you did ignite the minds and illuminated the lives of thousands and thousands of youngsters.